Hi, I'm Mary Beth from Hamilton Beach with something you're going to love. It's the single-serve blender, perfect for blending that morning smoothie, protein shake, or other blended beverage to go. The single-serve blender is powerful enough for fruit smoothies, icy drinks, and shakes. Its 13-ounce individual-sized jar means you can stop cleaning those large blender jars when you want just one serving. It also doubles as a travel cup. Let's take a closer look. It's light, simple, and easy to store and clean. The power cord wraps around the base for easy storage. It has stainless steel blades and a 175-watt motor that's powerful enough to make fruit smoothies, icy drinks, and shakes. It has one-touch blending, so just use the pulse button to blend. And best of all, the 13-ounce blending jar doubles as a travel cup, so you can sip from the same container you blend in. The portable travel cup fits most car cup holders and includes a tight-fitting travel lid. The single-serve blender from Hamilton Beach is the most convenient way to make and take your smoothies, icy drinks, and shakes wherever you go. Now that's good thinking.